Welcome to Learning Buddy. This is your Marvin, and let's talk about the subject and verb agreement, basic rules for words of amount and time as subjects. Number 1, 5 hours blank a long time to wait. Is it seem or seems? Choice A, seem, is called the base form of the verb. It's in present simple tense. It is used for first person I, second person you, and other plural nouns. Meanwhile, seems, our choice B, is called the S form of the verb or verb 5, also in the present simple tense. It is used for third person he, she, and it, and also used for other singular nouns. The subject of this sentence is the word hours, and we all know that hours is plural in form. However, since we're talking about words of amount and time as subjects, and this topic is specific about subject and verb agreement rule, words that refer to amounts are usually singular. So we will use seems instead of seem. 5 hours seems a long time to wait. Choice A is incorrect because according to the rule, again, words that refer to amounts are usually singular. Let's proceed to number 2. 100 pounds of birdseed blank in that container. Is it is or are? What's gonna be the answer? We all know that is a verb that is used for singular subjects. Meanwhile, are is used for plural subjects. They are both used in present simple or present tense. We all know that 100 pounds, specifically the word pounds with s, is plural in form. And again, our topic for today is about words that refer to amounts are always treated singular. Alright, so the answer is A. That is a singular verb. 100 pounds of birdseed is in that container. You can't say 100 pounds of birdseed are in that container. Let's stick to the rule. Number 3, 10 yards of material blank enough for the backdrop. Is it A, is, B, are? Again, is singular, are is plural. They're both used in present simple tense or present tenses. 10 yards. That seems to be plural in form. But again, just like what the rule says, words of amount and time as subjects, words that refer to amounts are always singular. Use is. 10 yards of material is enough for the backdrop. Let's proceed to number 4. 2/3 of the money blank already been raised. 2/3. So this is called a fraction. Is the verb that we're looking for is A, has, or B, have? We all know that has is singular helping verb. Meanwhile, have is plural helping verb. What's gonna be the answer? The answer is A. Remember, fractions in this sentence is used to refer to amounts and is usually treated as singular. So the answer is has. 2/3 of the money has already been raised. Number 5, $100 blank too much for the jacket. The word dollars is plural in form. That is obvious. That may be a lot of money. However, the rule says that amounts such as money is always or usually treated as singular in subject and verb agreement. What's going to be the answer? Is it is or are? Share your answer in the comments.